Hello everyone, please contact Professor Robert for a sample or a customized paper of the following or any other assignment. ECHO11004-Biochemistry for cardiac pharmacology. Description: need help handling ECHO11004 quizzes? Talk to us through our email poweredtutorial@gmail.com. Assessment tasks: 1 online quizzes. Assessment title: online quizzes. Task description: a sound knowledge of the biochemistry which underlies physiology and pharmacology is essential for medical imaging professionals. The purpose of this assessment task is to evaluate your understanding of the 4 major biochemistry topics covered in this unit: macromolecules, cell transport, metabolism and cell signaling communication. Specifically, you are required to complete four online quizzes. Each quiz is comprised of 20 questions. The style of questions will be true, false, and fill in the blanks. You will have 35 minutes to attempt each quiz. Only one attempt is permitted per quiz. Your score from each quiz will be combined, and the result will contribute 40% to your final grade. You are required to obtain at least 50% of the available marks to be eligible to pass the unit, i.e. 40 out of 80 questions answered correctly. In the absence of an approved extension, there will be no opportunity to complete a quiz after it is closed. The specific dates that each quiz opens and closes are outlined below. Quiz 1 will open at 9 a.m. EST on Friday 07th August 2020, week 4, and will remain open until 5 p.m. EST, Friday 14th August 2020, week 5. This quiz will assess the topics covered during weeks 1 to 4. Quiz 2 will open at 9 a.m. EST on Friday 28th August 2020, week 6, and will remain open until 5 p.m. EST, Friday 04th September 2020, week 7. This quiz will assess the topics covered during weeks 5 to 6. Quiz 3 will open at 9 a.m. EST on Friday 18 September 2020, week 9, and will remain open until 5 p.m. EST, Friday 25 September 2020, week 10. This quiz will assess the topics covered during weeks 7 to 9. Quiz 4 will open at 9 a.m. EST on Friday 02 and October 2020, week 11, and will remain open until 5 p.m. EST on Friday 9th October 2020, week 12. This quiz will assess the topics covered during weeks 10 to 11. Number of quizzes: 4. Frequency of quizzes: other. Assessment due date: the due dates for each quiz are listed in the task description section. Return date to students: results and feedback will be available via Moodle once each quiz is closed. Weighting: 40%. Minimum marker grade: this assessment has a minimum passing grade of 50%. Assessment criteria: each correct answer in the quiz will be awarded 1 mark. No marks will be deducted for incorrect answers. Referencing style: Vancouver. Submission: online. Submission instructions: each quiz will be accessed and completed individually via Moodle. Learning outcomes assessed: describe the structure, function and biological roles of the major types of biomolecules and macromolecules. Describe the relationship between structure and function of the components of biological membranes, especially in terms of selective permeability. Outline the basic processes involved in metabolic and catabolic pathways relevant to the cardiovascular system. Describe basic cell signaling, communication and metabolism. Graduate attributes: communication, problem solving, critical thinking, information literacy. 2 online tests. Assessment title: online test. Task description: the ability to recall and apply fundamental biochemistry principles is a critical skill for individuals in the medical imaging profession. The purpose of this assessment task is to evaluate your understanding of the topics that we have covered in this unit, weeks 1 to 11. Specifically, you will be required to complete one online test. The test is comprised of 10 questions which will contain multiple sub-questions. The style of questions will be short response. Each question is worth a total of 10 marks. Hence, there are 100 marks available in this assessment task. You will have 120 minutes to complete the test, plus an additional 15 minutes perusal time. Only one attempt is permitted for this assessment task. Your score from the online test will contribute 60% to your final grade. You are required to obtain at least 50% of the available marks to be eligible to pass the unit, i.e. 50 out of 100 marks. The online test will be held after the Term 2 2020 course review period. If you are unable to complete the online test on the nominated date, you will have to apply for a deferred assessment. Assessment due date: the exact time and date of the online test will be made available via Moodle once the university online examination timetable has been finalized. Thanks for watching.